Okay, guys, so I just remembered I need to show you something else. It's the premium cats. It's the same thing in dog game. Just wanted to point that out. Ooh, sorry. And I have a question. Which one do you like better? Dog game or cat game? You can leave the question in the comments. Anyways, premium cats are really cool because they kind of just like cats, just like but like 14 to like a well, like 14 cats equals one cat. So, yep. And this is my favorite one. I really think if I ever get a second channel, I might make the profile picture this. Its name is Dragon and it is the coolest. Actually, I'm going to take a picture of it right now. Right there. Boom. I'm gonna I should probably stop this. Okay, back in line, sorry. And by the way, you guys are super cool. And I'll just show you some of my premium cats and maybe tell you some of the things I missed in my videos. In my video. So good thing I look at them all before. So this is Snapdragon. He's like I don't know. He has like a hat, a bow tie, and he's like really cool guy. And these are my candy ones. This is Strawberry Bon Bon, which I'm going to show you all their animations. This is Candy Tablets. Yep, cool. And my last one, Kieran, which, cool. I should I'm going to probably show you some stuff for dog game too. Oh, yep, here. And also another question, do you guys want me to do Duolingo? I should probably turn this down a little bit so you guys can hear me better. Anyways, so this is dog game. Probably coolest game in the world. Because it's just generally a good game. It's the same thing as cat game, just with dogs. It has less like stuff. But yeah, I forgot to explore like the premiums. So let me do that right now. First we have the Marshaller, and here's his animation. Pretty cool. Yeah, cool. And the Queen, let's hear her animation. Okay. This one's a little long. And now the Floret. Ooh. Flowers. And yep. And it's called the Core. Ooh, nice. Coins, you know, me, coins. Me and coins love each other. I love coins. Love money. They still not working. And I'm gonna try to get a dog. Jeez, that takes long. I'm gonna try to get a dog right here. Because you guys are just good luck. Good luck in human form. Seriously, you saw last time. That last time was crazy. And I also didn't show you enough mini games. Which, yeah, you know that one. That's the one. But also, Yep. And there's this one, which I'm gonna play a little bit. Which basically your goal is to get like a straight line up or bottom. It doesn't really matter. And it is very fun. I feel like if I don't talk about anything though, but I feel like I gotta get stuff moving right now because can't just play this for the rest of my life. But this is interesting. Wait, can I beat it? Oh. Yeah. Just perfect. Just perfect. Okay, let me do that right there. Wait. Don't like it like that. Wait, can I? No, I can't put it anywhere. Oh, right here. On there. Jeez. Jeez! Oh. I really can't put it anywhere. So this one really has to count. I might just lose it. Lose it. Oh. Just that's the one downfall. It's every time when you lose, it just shows you an ad. Which I didn't even consider it a mobile game. Like it is so different from a mobile game. Oh heck, how do I put that down? That was an accident. Right here. Oh, yay, the yellow Labrador! Are you guys, tell me if you guys like this video. Just tell me in the comments. Oh yeah, this is like the one to see which one's better. I think this one. Generally, I think this one. Oh, I got wrong. Well, the first one was up. Oh, down one is so good. What? I disagree with this is good. The ghost one is good. I'm just not. This is not my day today. Okay, this has to be the right one, right? Okay, yeah. Haley or I'm gonna do Haley. Oh, they have a dragon in it. Down is my favorite because it has a dragon in it. I don't even care if the majority like that. Oh, this one has to be it. Lexi Lou. Shout out to you. Anyways. Oh, that's this one because I feel like the upper one is just more popular because it has more stuff. Yeah. Oh, this one. The down one is so good. Let me just wait for it to load in. I think that's all. Yep. No, it's correct. Let's see if I could get something good. Okay. Actually. Oh, the carpet. But the carpet. Okay, that one has to. What? Okay. What? Oh. What? My brain is not braining right now. Okay, Rachel. Wait. Okay. Down. No, up. What the heck? What the heck? You know what? I'm gonna stop this. This is making me way too mad. Because I am incompetent of doing this. Maybe that's just it. I'm incompetent of doing anything. And tell me which one you like better. Leave the comment bet down below. And I also want to do this to like show you some of my favorites, like Royce. He was my starter dog. Actually, he's an influencer, and I think it's like TikTok or something, because that's such a cute outfit. Don't you guys agree? And Bean. Who couldn't like Bean? Look at this. Look at this dog. Look at that dog. Bean. And then there's Muffin. My man Muffin. My main man Muffin. Muffin. And Harry Potter. Wait, there's actually lore behind Harry. So, I had a dog named Harry. Sadly, he died. So, in honor of him, I named this Harry. I could probably find one. And this is a Chihuahua, so I named it the appropriate name. And Sunny. And then, yep. And this is the one I'm working on right now. So there's Pinky, there's Bluey, there's Star, there's Bryson, there's Drool, there's Belle. Oh, this is already longer than my first video. And this is Sheepy. This is Ginger. This is 101. This is... This is Thistle. This is Gray Muzzle. This is Bark Paw. This is Tom. This is Dawn. Oh, done. This is Onigiri. And this is Dog. I have such creative names. And let me just show you some of my other names. So we have Cookie. Well, she looks like she just reminds me of Cookies. This is Peanut. This is Mary. This is Cole. This is Samoyed. This is Rainbow. And Snowball. You sly dog. This is Sunny. Wait, I already did that before. Oh, so yeah, that's all my dogs. And I know the ones for the premium already, so bye, I guess. Bye.